Hello and welcome to a GreenManVideo. I'm Matt. In this video I'm unboxing the universal dock which I bought from the Apple store today. I went and bought it and here it is in the bag, in the Apple bag here. It costs £28 and so it works with the iPhone and all iPods except the iPod shuffles. So just got a receipt and then this like Apple logo bag which it came in, and then here it is. So it's the dock and there's a remote control in there as well. So this is it, Apple logo, and then on the back it's got all the iPods it's compatible with and information about it. So yeah, this is £28 from Apple. It's £28 on the website as well, so you don't have to go to the Apple store to get it, but I did. At the same time I had a look at the new iPod Shuffle and the iMacs and that, just had a look. I might get a Mac in the future, but I'm still deciding whether I should get one. I really do want one though. A lot better than Windows. So let's get unboxing this. Right, so I'm going to unbox the universal dock now, and then I'll show you with my iPhone and iPod how it works and how they stand in the dock. There is another version and it's just for the iPhone 3G, and I was having a look at it in the store today, and there's an iPhone 3G dock which is £19. And then there's one which is this universal one which also works with the iPhone 3G and other iPods, which is £28. And I just don't see the point of that special one for the iPhone 3G, because I mean you may as well get this one because you get the remote control in it as well. And that remote control on its own costs £19. So there really is no point Apple selling that special iPhone 3G dock. I just don't see the point in it at all, really. So I'm gonna unbox this. Use my scissors. Alright, so I've taken the plastic off. Now I need to get through the cardboard. It's very like, this box is very like the one you get with the iPod. I don't know why it has to be so big, but can't get it out. Here it is. So there's this like cover first, and then there's this box here. Oh. Alright, so here we have the inside. I'll just zoom in a bit. We have the dock here. This is the dock where the iPod or the iPhone goes in here. And then we've got the remote control here, the buttons on, and then if we go over here we've got all the different dock adapters, so they all fit different iPods, like iPod Video, which is what I've got. This is the iPod Video, iPod Classic, iPhone, iPod Nano, iPod Touch, so it works with them all, but accepts the iPod Shuffle. You got to get a special dock for that one. It's a lot smaller and a lot cheaper. So I'm going to take the dock out and show you that. It's quite heavy. Here you've got the space where you plug in the USB 2.0 cable, and here you've got an audio out cable, so you can have an iPod in here, an iPhone, and you can connect speakers to this. So it's basically like a sound system. It's a cheap way of turning your iPod or your iPhone into a sound system by buying this and having some speakers. So we got that. Then we've got the remote control. I'm not quite sure how this works though at the moment. Or actually I think this has got like infrared, or it's got a sensor at the front here, and then you use this to control it, but I'm not exactly sure. And then you've got the adapters here. So this is the iPhone 3G one here. So I'm just going to try it now. So I take this plastic off. Right, so that's off. Get the dock. Take all the plastic off. I don't know why they have to put plastic on everything, but I suppose it protects it. And then you put this in here, that clips in, and then you get your iPhone 3G or your iPod, and it goes in like that. And then you can just take that out, and then say someone's at your house or you've got another iPod. I'm not sure how you take this. You take that one out and then you go to here and then get the other dock adapter out and put it in here, but I don't know how you get it out. Or that you just, simple basically. Yeah, then you get your other adapter out, put it in, and then you can use other iPods in here like that. So I think this is a good money well spent, and I will use this. I'll plug this into my computer, and then every time I don't have to plug in my iPod and my iPhone and pull cables out. It just sits in like this. So yeah, this is the universal dock for iPods and iPhones. I think it's good quality. It's very strong. It's not going to break or it's not going to fall over when it's got an iPod in it or an iPhone. So I know it's not going to break my device I'm plugging into it. Would I recommend you buying this? Yeah, I would. If you've not got an iPod and you've just got an iPhone 3G, then you may as well just get that special iPhone dock I was talking about earlier, as it's £19 compared to this one, which was £28. Or you could even just get it off somewhere like eBay for cheaper. So yeah, if you want this, you can get it from Apple directly from the store or online for £28. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the universal dock for iPods and iPhones. Thank you for watching this video. See ya!
for watching GreenManVideos.